Good morning students. Hope you're all fine at home. So in today's class we are going to start a new lesson. Okay, the topic of the lesson is every drop counts. Every drop counts. So from this topic itself you can able to identify that we are going to study about water in this lesson. Okay, we are going to study water in this lesson. Okay. So we are going to study about a lake. Okay, the name of the lake is Gadzizar. Okay, G-H-A-D-S-I-S-A-R. Gadzizar. So what is the meaning of Sar? Sar means lake. Okay, Sar means lake. King Gadzi of Jaisalmer got it made 650 years ago with the help of the people. Sar means lake. King Gadzi of Jaisalmer got it made 650 years ago with the help of the people. So, what is the name of the king who lives in the place Jaisalmer? Gadzi. Okay, so Gadzi is the king and this king lives in the place Jaisalmer. Okay, so got it made 650 years ago. So, this king finds a lake. Okay, this king finds a lake. How many years back? 650 years ago. Okay, so 650 years ago, this king has found this lake. Does he found by himself? No. Okay, so he found it with the help of the people. So the people who lives in Jaisalmer, they and the king, okay, both found this lake 650 years ago. So Sar means lake. King Gadzi of Jaisalmer got it made 650 years ago with the help of the people. People came here to celebrate festivals and for programs of music and dance. People came here to celebrate festivals and for programs of music and dance. So why do the people of Jaisalmer come to this lake? For what purpose they come? They will come to celebrate festivals. So if the festival comes, what do? They will come to this Gadzizar lake to celebrate it. And for programs of music and dance. So in that lake, they will be conducting the music as well as the dance. So to enjoy those things, the people of Jaisalmer will come to the lake to celebrate the festivals and for the programs of music and the dance. So people came here to celebrate festivals and for programs of music and dance. Children come to study in the school on the Ghats. Okay, children come to study in the school on the Ghats. So the children who studies in Jaisalmer will come to the Ghats to study. Okay, so Ghats means the steps on the pond. Okay, the steps on the lake or the pond. So on that place, what will they do? They will sit and study. Okay, so children come to school. Sorry, children come to study in the school. So after returning from the school, the children will come to the lake and they will sit on the steps and they will study. Okay, the tala belonged to everyone and everyone took care to keep it clean. The tala means the pond or the lake. Okay, belong to everyone. So it belongs to each and every person in the village. Okay, and everyone took care to keep it clean. So it seems to be the responsibility of every person to keep the lake clean. So everyone will take care of the lake. Okay, and what is the name of the lake? Gadzizar. Okay, so who is Gadzi? Gadzi is the name of the king and Sar is the lake. Okay, so this lake belongs to the king Gadzi. So the lake name is Gadzizar. So the tala belonged to everyone and everyone took care to keep it clean. Rainwater collected in this lake spread over many miles. Okay, so the lake seems to be a large one. Okay, how the lake is? Is it a very small one or a big one? It's a very big lake. It's a large lake. And what do? They will collect the rainwater. They won't waste the rainwater. Okay, so rainwater collected in this lake spread over many miles. So this rainwater will be flowing to many miles. Okay, how many miles? It will spread over to many miles. All the 9 lakes will be filled up. Okay, all the 9 lakes. So how many lakes are there nearby Gadzizar? There there are 9 lakes. Okay, so each and every lake will be filled using this lake. So if the lake Gajsar is filled, the excess water will be flowing to the next other lake. Okay, so all the 9 lakes will be filled up. The rainwater could be used throughout the year. So this water will be used all over the year. Okay, that means that throughout the year. So all the 9 lakes will be filled up. The rainwater could be used throughout the year. Many new buildings and colonies have come up in between these 9 colonies. Okay, so many buildings as well as the colonies are there in between the lake. Okay, so the Gajsar lake. Now the water does not get collected in these lakes. So nowadays what happens? They are not collecting the rainwater at all. Rainwater just flows and gets wasted. So before that they are using the rainwater. Okay. But what happens now? Now they are not collecting the rainwater and the rainwater gets very wasted. Okay, let me read this once again. So Gajsar means it's a lake. Okay, so Zar means lake. King Ghazi of Jaisalmer got it made 650 years ago with the help of the people. So the name of the king is Ghazi. Okay, so this king lives in the place Jaisalmer. Okay, so this king as well as the people who lives in Jaisalmer found that there was a lake. So how many years back? 650 years back. Okay. So people came here to celebrate festivals or programs of music and dance. So what do the people do? The people will come to the Gajsar lake to celebrate. Okay, so there will be festivals. So they will come to celebrate the festivals and to watch programs. Okay, so they want to time pass. So they will come to watch programs of music and dance. So children come to study in the school of the Ghats. So Ghats is the steps that is there on the pond or the lake. Okay, so children after coming from the school, what do? They will sit on the Ghats and they will study. The talab belongs to everyone and everyone to care to keep it clean. So talab means the lake or the pond. Okay. So it belongs to everyone in the village and everyone will take care of the pond. Rainwater collected in this lake spread over many miles. So what do the people do? The people will collect the rainwater and it will spread to many miles. All the 9 lakes will be filled up. The rainwater could be used throughout the year. So how many lakes will be filled? 9 lakes will be filled. Okay, one over the other, and they will use the rainwater without wasting. Many new buildings. Okay, new buildings as well as the colonies are there in between the lakes. Okay, so what happens now? Now they are not using the rainwater. They are not collecting the rainwater, and the rainwater gets very much wasted. So now the water does not get collected in these lakes. Rainwater just goes and get wasted. Have you understood up to this, children? The next topic we are going to see is drop by drop. Besides Jaisalmer, many places in Rajasthan get very little rainfall. Here, it rains for only a few days in the entire year. The rivers do not have water all around the year. People knew that every drop of water was precious. Most of the villages in these areas did not have shortage of water. Lakes and joghats were made to collect water. Water was everyone's need. One and all came together in this work. Some water from the lakes reached the wells and bug this step wells. Okay, so the meaning of bug this is step well. Long ago, people used to make long journeys with their caravans of animals and goods. People felt it was a good thing to give water to thirsty travelers. Thus, they built many beautiful step wells. So besides Jaisalmer, many places in Rajasthan get very little rainfall. Okay. So besides Jaisalmer means apart from Jaisalmer. Okay. So what happens? Many places in in Rajasthan. Okay, so this Jaisalmer is located in Rajasthan. Okay, so many places, that means most of the places in Jaisalmer except the most of the places in Rajasthan except the Jaisalmer get very little rainfall. Okay, so most of the places, okay, how they get rainfall? They get very little amount of rainfall. Okay, they get only little amount of rainfall. Here it rains for only a few days in the entire year. Okay, so for the whole year, how it rains? For only a few days only, it will rain in most of the places in Rajasthan. The rivers do not have water all around the year. So without rainfall, do we get water? Can we able to collect the water? No, we can't able to collect the rainwater. So the rivers do not have water. Okay, so because of no rainfall, what happens? How do the rivers will be? The rivers won't have water. Okay, so the rivers will be very dry. So the rivers do not have water all around the year. So for the whole year, the rivers will be dry only. Okay, there won't be water in the rivers. People knew that every drop of water was precious. Okay, people knew that every drop of water was precious. So the people of Rajasthan, how do they see the water? They see the water as a precious thing. Okay, precious means a valuable thing. They see the water as a valuable one, a precious one, because they don't get water for the whole year. Okay, so they will be getting only for few days. Okay, so they see the water to be as a precious one, a valuable one. Most of the villages in these areas did not have shortage of water. Most of the villages in these areas did not have shortage of water. That means they will be having water. Okay, so they know that the rainfall is very less, so they will save the water so that they won't have the shortage of water. Okay, because they are seeing water as a precious thing. Okay, water as a precious one, so they are collecting the water. Because of that, they don't face the shortage of water. Lakes and johets were made to collect water. Lakes and johets. Okay, Johets. So how to pronounce this? Johets. 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 So the meaning of johets is pond. Okay, it's nothing but it's a pond. So lakes and ponds were made to collect water. So how do we collect the water? By the lakes as well as the ponds. Okay. Water was everyone's need. Water was everyone's need. Can we able to live without the water, children? No. So we need water. Okay. So everyone in this world need water. Okay. So water was everyone's need. One and all came together in this work. So one and all came to this work means the people in the Rajasthan gather together to collect the water for their need. Some water from the lakes reached the wells and gardens. Okay, some water. So the water for some days the people will get water. Okay, so how do they save the water? The lakes reach the wells and the bubbles. Okay, so the rainfall will be collecting in the lakes, and the lake water reach the wells and the bubbles. Bubbles means the step wells. Okay, so let me read this once again. Besides Jaisalmer, many places in Rajasthan get very little rainfall. Here it rains for only a few days in the entire year. The rivers do not have water all around the year. People knew that every drop of water was precious. Most of the villages in these areas did not have shortage of water. So why don't they have the shortage of water? Because they will collect the water. Okay. Because they see water to be as a precious thing. So they will be collecting water. So they don't have the shortage of water. Lakes and johets were made to collect water. Water was everyone's need. One and all came together in this work. Some water from the lakes reached the wells, and above this, that means the step wells. Okay, now I am going to show you a video.
Okay students, now I am going to show you an image. Okay, so what do you see in this image? Yes, this is one of the system of collecting the rainwater. Okay, so there are several steps to collect rainwater. So one of the step is rainwater harvesting. Okay, so what is meant by rainwater harvesting? It is the collection of rain, okay, collection or the storage of rainwater rather than allowing it to run off, rather than wasting the water. So if we collect and storage the rain, that is known as the rainwater harvesting. So rainwater is collected from the roof like surface. Okay, so it is collected only on the top of the house, that means the roof. Okay, so from that place we will collect the rainwater and we will store it in the underground tank. So can you able to see in this image? Yes, the rainwater has been collected under the tank. Okay, so we are getting the rainwater from the roof of the house, and then we are storing it under the tank. And the next one I'm going to show you is the step wells. Okay, have you ever seen the step wells, students? Yes, we would have seen those step wells. Okay, so we have seen near the ponds, the lakes, and in the temple also. Okay, so what is called as step wells? Instead of drawing the water up from the well, the people could go down the steps and reach the water. Okay, I'll repeat this once again. Instead of drawing the water up from the well, the people could go down the steps and reach the water. That is why they are called as step wells. Okay, so instead of getting the water up from the well, what can we able to do? We can able to go down to the water and we can able to get it. So they are called as the step wells.
Okay children, long ago people used to make long journeys with their caravans of animals and goods. People felt it was a good thing to give water to thirsty travelers. Thus, they built many beautiful step wells. Long ago, people used to make long journeys with the caravans of animals and goods. People felt it was a good thing to give water to thirsty travelers. Thus, they built many beautiful step wells. So, what it has said here? Long ago, people used to make long journeys. So, the people, where do they go? They go from one place to the another place. Okay, so it seems to be as a long journey. How do they go? They go for a long journey with the caravans of animals and goods. So this animal is said to be as a caravan. So caravan means it's a vehicle. Okay. So for this people, the animal seems to be as a caravan. Okay. They use the animal to go from one place to the another place. For example, the camel, the donkey. Okay. So by using the camel and donkey, they will keep their goods. Okay, so they will be using the goods with the animals to go from one place to the another place. So long ago, people used to make long journeys with the caravans of animals and goods. People felt it was a good thing to give water to thirsty travelers. People felt it was a good thing to give water to thirsty travelers. So the people while going one place to the another place, they won't carry water. Okay, they won't be carrying water with them. So what do the people do? The people will be helping others by giving the water to them. Okay, to the travelers. So travelers means the people who goes from one place to the another place are called travelers. Okay. So how do the people feel while giving water to them? They feel very happy. Okay. So they feel it's a good thing to help the people by giving the water to them. So people felt it was a good thing to give water to thirsty travelers. Thus they built many beautiful step wells. So for this purpose only the step well has been built. Okay. For which purpose? Yes, to help the traveler. So if there is step well, what do the travelers do? They will come to the step well and they will drink the water for the thirsty. So thus they built many beautiful step wells. Okay. So long ago people used to make long journeys Were there caravans of animals and goods? People felt it was a good thing to give water to thirsty travelers. Thus, they built many beautiful temples. Have you understood up to this, students? We will continue the remaining part in the next class. Okay. Okay, students, and this is for your home assignment. Write the fill in the blanks, true or false in your classwork note. Okay, so take a fresh page and put the topic, and you have to write fill in the blanks, true or false in your classwork note. And this is for your activity work. Write about how to save the rainwater. Write about how to save the rainwater. Okay, so there are several steps to save the rainwater. So you have to write how to save the rainwater. Okay, so hope you all understood this class. See you in the next